So I'm often in contact with executives that are either in operations, in the CEO organization, for instance, or in the network management. And often we have discussion that doesn't start with technology, but it starts with their problems, operational problems or observability problems. They don't understand their network, they don't understand what's happening in their network, and it starts from there. And then we are building the solutions in order to meet the challenges that they develop during these discussions. If I want to be very pragmatic, you have two families of use cases. One very common pain point that you will find across all the geographies and operators is the difficulty to connect customer to their fiber base. We have, as an industry, built a lot of home passed and a lot of kilometers or miles of network, and now it's about how do I connect the customers the quickest possible way, and they are having a lot of troubles with these KPIs. Another one that is very common also in the utilities segment is, okay, we are sharing infrastructure. We need to share infrastructure. So ducts and poles and everything that is mutualized between different type of operators. And how do I know who is using my infrastructure and how can I monetize this infrastructure is also a very common pain point that we are looking across the different customer segments. So the good news is that everything starts usually with collecting images and having a true digital twin, having a good understanding of your network, and that doesn't bring a clear return on investment. But then each use case is very clearly linked to additional revenues or savings. Two examples relating to the problem I was explaining. When you connect more customers more quickly, you have a better take-up rate, and you just and simply generate more revenues. And it's like top-line revenues, more top-line revenues. You can compare if I have a 28% take-up rate every year compared to 26 because I just managed to do the things right first time. You can very clearly measure the additional revenues you are generating. If you have trouble at charging the people that are using your infrastructure that you lend to other operators, as soon as you have control and you know what happens in the field, you can charge more. And we were discussing a customer that in a very small area saved 3.5 million this year with one of the pole analysis algorithms or product solutions that we have available off the shelf. The thing that is very exciting with IQGeo is to have the end-to-end solution from design to operations and management of the network. And what's extremely exciting is that Netlux is being now applied to more than images. So we are going to apply it to all different type of data that are in the system of records, data that might be voice and videos, and we will unlock new use cases across the different products for the customer of IQGeo, and that's something that is really exciting. So applying AI to more type of information than just images.